Buongiorno a tutti, belli e brutti.
Well, this one called the Volcano Eruption. Well, it's in 84 crowd of people. You don't have to come new brand. It name, nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. The youth them just adjust up in a white collar shirt. And some of them wear it till it resemble dirt. He said,
Saturday morning selecta.
I ain't gonna do it, officer.
A thing called Volcano Erruption.
Turn down to left pocket. I'm searching for a cold automatic. I'm searching if you're up in the ratchet. He said, what is your number? I didn't answer. What is your number? I still don't answer. What is your number, boy? I really don't answer. It can't go up in chopper.
King Yellow.
Then me started to answer. Guess what I said? 64, 46, BMW, what do you want? 64, 46, BMW, Lord. He said, give it to me one time, give it to me two times, give it to me three times, Lord, it him. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. That it don't yam jackal, that it don't yam dirt. He come from the planet of Earth. He come from the planet of Earth. Say granny in a kitchen, I cook rice and chicken.
King Yellow.
I cook a eat a stew. No trouble granny, granny never trouble you. Not to cook up in mental stew. It here.
Yeah.
Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. The youth them a dress up in a white collar shirt. And some of them wear it till it resemble dirt. He said, he want me to join the army. I ain't gonna do it, officer. No way.
Hey. Uno dietro l'altro. Mr. Frankie Paul. Oh, one more time again, una volta ancora dall'inizio. Mr. Frankie Paul. Uno dietro l'altro. He come out sul piatto che gira. A team called Volcano Eruption.
Me say me love a fi me virgin girl. Me say me love a fi me virgin girl. Jana oh, me really love her so. Jana oh, me really love her so. Me love to see her when she walk and pose. Fancy clothes to match her clothes. Jana oh, be me virgin girl. Jana oh, be me virgin girl. her when a ear full of curl. Anywhere she go, people love her in the world. She don't worship diamond, she don't worship pearl. Like oh, be me virgin girl. Like oh, I be me virgin girl.
He come out.
I do them, I do them, them. I do them, I do them, them. I'm in the oh, I'm in the no, oh, oh. No, oh, I'm in the no, oh, oh. Biddy, biddy, bang, bang, giddy, bang, bang, giddy, bang. Biddy, biddy, bang, bang, giddy, bang, bang, giddy, bang. Bang, biddy, bang, bang, giddy, bang, then, giddy, bang, then. Giddy, bang, bang, giddy, bang, then, giddy, bang, then. The two away a walk and the two away a talk. She a wear roach and a me a wear glass. We hug up and pass in a sunshade glass. And little after that we gonna Kingston pass. Hey, whole heap of people just a start to laugh. She too short and a me too tall. She too short and a me too tall.
Ricky Cox selecta
Do them, I do them. Hey,
Saturday morning style.
I'm in on the oh, in on no oh, oh, I'm in on the oh, I'm in on no oh, oh. Me say me love her, be me virgin girl. Me say me love her, be me virgin girl.
Yes.
Rock up in the second time. Do it, Jack. You know this guy, boy,
Nico Demo.
and I come nice up the nation. But this a bone man connection. Come let me tell you this a bone man connection. But watch a man, me skull bone connected to me jawbone. Me jawbone connected to me collarbone. Me collarbone connected to me chest bone. Me chest bone connected to me ribs bone. Me ribs bone connected to me spine bone. Me spine bone connected to me leg bone. Me leg bone connected to me knee bone. Me knee bone connected to me ankle bone. Me say me ankle bone connected to me toe bone. Me toe bone connected to me toenail bone. What a whole heap of bone. Come let me tell you, me say skin to flesh and bone a fi me.
Una cosa chiamata Volcano Eruption.
The machine down the home. I see now them a talk about me here one coma. Me that say 26 as I me broke a 40 coma. Say one thing I left
7-inch style. Yeah.
the bone man connection. Don't let me tell you this a bone man connection. But watch a man, say one, say two, operator that are you. I want you fling with part one, come make me give them part two. Say girls like you, me say give me part two. Now the bone man connection. Here Jama make up the nice up the nation. But watch a man, say if you keep a session and you want it for rama. Say make sure Nicodemus have the mic in a imana. Say make sure put me neck on this radio station. Nicodemus too important.
Yes. Uno dietro l'altro.
All give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Because so much of it includes the praise unto
Papa Michigan General Smiley.
all these things are abomination to the Lord God.
A team call Volcano
Every
Eruption.
lady girl dressed up in a trousers.
One more time again, una volta ancora dall'inizio. Gira sul piatto.
All give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Because so much of it includes the praise unto a man. Because all these things are abomination to the Lord God. Yeah. Cause every lady girl dressed up in a trousers. I say what happened to your skirts and blouses? Why can't I man see you in your dresses? Call these things unto judge and not pleases. And every day them a worship vanity. And your greatest lust is jewelry. Mind ya lick you with is easy. Hey, mind ya lick you with is easy. Hey, the most dangerous disease. I said the most dangerous disease. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis. Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, cause every day that I turn the Bible pages, from Proverbs forward to Genesis, from Revelation to Ecclesiastes. So let me tell you, say me wisdom increases, and the loss of the world it decreases. While every day man I build explosives, the corruption of the world it exposes. Mind ya lick with diseases.
Hey,
Mind ya lick with diseases.
hey,
I said the most dangerous diseases.
hey.
I said the most dangerous diseases. I'm talking like the elephantitis. The other one is the polymyelitis. Arthritis and the one diabetes. You see, while the stars that shines on the galaxy, and it shines on you of the Israelite voices who once led by the man Moses. Jah, we need your advices. Hey, help us out of the crisis. Hey, Jah, we need your advices. Hey, help us out of the
Papa Music and General Smiley.
Every day the girls dress up in a trousers. I say what
Oh,
happens
yes.
to your skirts and blouses.
Uno dietro l'altro.
Where's this rhythm you have
E
a
questa la conoscete tutti.
You know man, made it.
A big hit.
Me set it.
Diglielo King Yellow.
Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Say if you have a paper, you must have a pen. And if you have a start, you must have a end. Say 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. And if you have both, you put them in a pen. And if you have a rooster, you must have a hen. Now zungo zungo go zungo zen. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Jump the happiness and jump the joy. You know we call yellow man no boy. Lady and then you should take the toy. Great girl them call him John. You know we call yellow man no boy. You know we call John no boy. You know we take iron knife the boy. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Watch it. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Catch it. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Car 00119. Cause yellow man make you feel so fine. Me chat on me lyrics, me chat them in a rhyme. Me nah be like me full up a rhyme. Cause yellow man them nah commit no crime. Cause zungo zungo go zungo zen. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Hey, go shumpen, go shumpen. Hey, go shumpen, go shumpen. Say if you have a start, you must have an end. Say if you have a paper, you pass me the pen. But tell you yellow man, I'm too much girlfriend. Cause no for them matter, but me not have no girlfriend. You a idiot, boy, me have 110. Say all of them have yellow children. All of them have yellow children. Some live a Kingston, and don't have me a pen. No for them a ask me, oh, me have no girlfriend. True, arguments I have enough arguments.
Yellow Man.
Arguments I have enough arguments.
Traccia immortale. Sono passati più di 40 anni.
Zungo zungo go zungo zen.
Zungu zungu gu zungu zen.
You know fi call yellow man no boy. Nobody take John just the time. Maybe that are them calling you right. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Watch it.
Love I can feel.
Uno dietro l'altro.
Love I can feel. Yeah.
Nella migliore tradizione del reggae.
That's the only kind.
Fuori dalla splendida voce di Mr. John Holt.
Don't want
Love I Can Feel.
something.
Pull it up one more time again.
Love I can feel. Love I can feel. Love I can feel. Yeah. I want to love I can feel. That's the only kind of love I think is real. Don't want to be going by something I heard. 'Cause baby actions speak louder than words. I want a love that is mine. In the rain it's always sun, sun, sunshine. A love to keep me warm when it's cold. That kind of a loving.
Reggae music a denominazione di origine controllata. Diglielo.
You know I wanna love.
Sì, John Holt. Big Love.
Don't you know I wanna love? Don't you know I wanna love?
loving that will really be fair. Don't you know I want love? Life could be a dream, but you would have to real if you only feel the wind down here.
The crown prince of reggae music, Dennis Emmanuel Brown. Volcano Eruption! Yes! Mr. Frankie Paul ancora! Un gigante del ritmo in levare! E da idee chiare, molto chiare, senti come te lo dico! One more time again, una volta ancora dall'inizio, Mr. Frankie Paul, a thing called Volcano Eruption.
Oh wait, I don't smoke cigarettes, cause if you stop I breath. Yes, yeah. I'm a don't slip cold, cause if we make I choke. All I smoke is the real cushion pain. Cushion pain, make I count from 1 to 10. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Whoa, so pass the cushion pain, pass it over. I went on the cover.
Ricky Gong Jr. ai controlli, Bless Massive.
Flying chicken. Meanwhile, me have my cushion pain, so pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Oh yeah, pass the cushion pain, pass it over. See, in the town it's $1 a stick. In the country it's 50 cents. Me and the brethren sit down on that tree, roll to slip and eat some food. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Oh yeah, pass the cushion pain, pass it over. See, oh wait, see, again that people have to smoke cushion pain. When they smoke cushion pain, they have to smoke it again. The London people have to smoke cushion pain. When they smoke cushion pain, they have to smoke it again. So pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over. Hey, I'm on those smoke cigarettes, God, it will stop I breath. Yeah, yeah. I'm on those
Reggae vibes.
God, it will make I joke.
Niente di meglio, Reggae people.
All I smoke is the real cushion pain. Cushion pain, make I call from 1 to 10. Pass the cushion pain, pass it over.
Yeah, yeah. Uno dietro l'altro, yes, fa così questa. Mica Mouse te la canta e te la racconta così.
Early, early Sunday morning, it was a big and just my way. Inna the mud, me a pick a liver, and me a load them down in a gutter.
Hey.
One by one, load up the van, all of the ganja in the ram. Put it on a plane, go big on a Spain, money just a pour like the rain. Me just a muggle up the lane in a road gold chain, hey, me and me girl named Jane. Bang bang, giddy bang bang, giddy bang 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 bang, bang bang, bang boing, bang 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 bang.
Hey.
Dang dang, giddy dang dang, giddy bang bang, giddy bang bang, giddy bang bang, giddy bang bang, giddy bang bang. Down there in the ghetto I go, where sufferation I was to owe. Mommy and
Mica
daddy
Mouse,
said I
uno dietro l'altro, Reggae People. Seals or not?
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
Metà 80, Jamaica.
Police in helicopter. I search the marijuana.
Really?
Policemen in the street. Searching for Cali weed. Soldiers in the field. Burning the Cali weed.
A team called Volcano Erruption, Seals or not?
The herbs.
Sul piatto che gira.
If you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields. Soldier in the herb field, burning the cali weed. Police in helicopter, I search the marijuana. Policemen in the streets, searching for cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields.
Saturday Morning Selecta.
To burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane fields.
Una cosa chiamata Volcano Erruption. Tributo dovuto. A serious thing.
Police in helicopter, I search for marijuana. Policemen in the streets, searching for Cali weed. Policemen in the field,
Ricky Gog e
burning
controlli.
the Cali weed.
Let's
But
start
if you
Reggae Massive.
continue to burn up the herbs,